This is it. This is Camp Epic. Probably tell you what it is, I guess. Camp Epic. Camp Epic is brainchild of my mother and father. We've been running epic cycle adventures up here in the forest for 5-6 years, and we wanted a space of our own that we can host people and have people come camp with us. The whole kind of vision of it is the best camping experience you can ever have. That's Camp Epic. It's going to be a glamping campsite. It's going to have an outdoor kitchen, big shed roof, probably I think it's 7 by 12 meter shed with a big open kitchen underneath. It's going to have a ablution block where one half is closed, where the toilets are obviously. The other half opens up and looks at the bush with the showers underneath it. So it's private, but you get a little glimpse of the bush up at top. That whole area over there is going to be 14 wooden decks with safari tents on them. Lush as. It's going to be pretty cool. Last week I was up here. We spent a bit of time just prepping the site, making sure it's all ready to go. And today Matt's on his way. Matt's my builder, also a good mate of mine. We're going to start building. We're going to chuck 2 pads down this week, hopefully. There's lots to go through. There's lots to let you know about. We want this process to be as kind of transparent and open as possible, so I'm going to do my best to document everything that goes on. For me, as a first time kind of project managing something like this and planning it, it's going to be a big task, and I'll share every little bit of that with you. But yeah, pretty pumped. Last week was hella hectic. We prepped the site, got all these pads areas level. I had Bill up here. Bill's 69 and putting me to shame with his work ethic. He came in, sorted everything out, kind of got us to a point where we can start laying the foundations for this pad. Hopefully by the end of this week. We got the plumbers coming tomorrow. They're going to put all the pre-slab stuff down. The steel should show up sometime this week. We'll put that down. Hopefully building inspector Friday. Monday, Tuesday we'll pour the 2 slabs. So that's hopefully the plan. Hopefully. Maybe I'll show you around while we wait for Matt. See what we've done so far, huh? Right. So this is the kitchen pad. I'll be pretty much standing in the kitchen at the moment, and then behind me there'll be eating areas and that, and then the shed roof goes up like this, and it looks out over the campsite. We also have like a little area there where it looks out over the sunset. Okay, this is the bathroom pad, so you can see it's kind of split in 2. You got this half, which will be where the toilets are, and then this half will be where the showers are. And then those look up at the stony bush. It's going to be pretty special. The timber trail, you can see, it runs right across the front of us. So, yeah, pretty much smack bang on the track. You better delete that one. A little sledgehammer. Alright. Fucking got it from the old man. Woo! It's begun.
Begun, mate.